Hello everyone, I am Manish and you are with Technical Guide. So today we will see different methods with which one can easily convert OST file to PST file format. You might have seen several paid tools that can easily perform this task, but in this video we will see free and manual ways of doing the same. So before we proceed towards the OST to PST conversion methods, I would like to briefly introduce you about the OST file format. So OST file format is created by Outlook. When you configure Outlook with Exchange Server and you have enabled the cache exchange mode. Uh, Cache exchange mode can be enabled from here are the steps to enable cache exchange mode. You will need to open the account settings and then you will need to double click on the account for which you need to enable the cache exchange mode. After that, click on more setting option and then you will need to navigate to advanced tab, and here you will see the option of use cached exchange mode. If you check this option, then Outlook will create a local copy of your data and will store the data in OST file format. Okay, so if you have enabled cache exchange mode, then Outlook will create an OST file and will save your entire data in that format. Now, if you are using any IMAP account, if you have configured Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail account with Outlook using IMAP protocol, and you are using Outlook 2010 or later version like 2013, 16 or 19, then also Outlook will create an OST file and will save your entire data in that format. Okay, so now we can go forward and we'll see how we can convert OST file to PST file format. Here are some free methods that I have listed here. The first method is the OST to PST converter by A to Z migrations. Recently, the company used to charge some amount to for performing the conversion using this tool, but now they have made it available for free. So to use this tool, what you will need to do, you will need to open their website. Okay, then you can download the demo version from this link. Okay, after that, what you will need to do, you will need to email at keys@a2zmigration.com. Okay, you will need to mention that you will need a key for A to Z migrations OST to PST converter. Once they received your mail, they will revert you back within 1 to 2 hours with the key. You can use that key to activate this tool. Okay, once activated, you can perform the conversion. Okay, let's see. I have downloaded the tool. So you will need to install that tool in your machine. After installing the tool, you will need to open it. Now you will need to enter the key that you will received from their team. Okay, for now I am using the demo version to show you how to proceed with the conversion. You can use the key to activate and can use the full version of this tool. Okay, so you will need to click on this add button and then you can browse the file, your OST file that you will need to convert. You can preview the data of this OST file by clicking on this preview button. You can browse the destination path where you will need to save your converted file, and then you will need to click on export button. This will migrate your data from OST file to PST file format. You can see the progress has been completed successfully. Okay, so this is the first method that you can use to easily convert your data into PST file format. And the second method that you can use to perform the conversion is using the online tools available for performing the conversion. For that purpose, you can Google the same. You will see several tools listed on this page. I personally have used the tool developed by Aspose team. The interface is quite easy. You will just need to upload your OST file here, and then you will need to choose the option, the format in which you need to convert the OST file, and then you will just need to click on this convert button. It will take some time and will give you the converted PST file that you can easily import in your Outlook machine. Okay, this is the second free method that you can use to easily convert your OST data to PST file format. You can see the progress here. Once it is 100%, your OST file, your converted PST file will be ready for the download. Okay, and these two methods that I have just explained can be used if you have offline OST file. I mean, if the file is not currently being used with Outlook. Okay, if you have offline or orphaned OST file, you can use these two options to perform the conversion. The third option that I have mentioned is using import export wizard. This option can only be used if you are currently using Outlook and you will need to export the data. For that case, you will need to click on file and then choose the option open and export, then click on this option import export. Okay, you will need to choose the option export to a file and click on next button, then choose the option Outlook data file, click on next button, and here you can see all your data. Click on next button. If you need to replace duplicate items with items exported, you can choose this option. For my case, I am choosing don't export duplicate items and click on finish button. You will need to enter your password and then it will give you the PST file for this data. Okay, so these are some free methods that you can use to easily convert your data to PST file format. Hope the information I have given in this video is helpful to you. If you like our channel or if you like our video, please click on subscribe button. It really helps us to create more such valuable content. Thanks for watching the video.